Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about my favorite subject, double cleansing, and how do I do my double cleansing. So before that, I would like to stress on what exactly double cleansing is. Double cleansing is two-way process of cleansing your skin to make sure that there's no makeup, impurities and dirt left in your skin. Double cleansing is using two different kind of cleanser. First, cleansing your skin with the oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser. So to double cleanse my skin, the first step I like is to use micellar water by Garnier to take away all the dirt, impurities, pollutant, makeup, sunscreen from my skin, and I follow it with a face wash. What exactly is micellar water? Micellar water is generally used to clean your skin, to remove all the impurities, dirt, pollutant, makeup from your skin in just one swipe. So my current favorite is Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. It comes in three different kind of variant. One is pink, one is infused with oil, and one is with vitamin C.
So the days I'm wearing heavy makeup, I like the micellar water which is infused with oil as it removes all the makeups including waterproof makeup.
And the vitamin C micellar water is great option for cleansing plus brightening up your dull skin. I love using this pink one because I have a sensitive skin and it works amazingly well for my sensitive skin. Doesn't cause any irritation, dryness or itchiness. I also incorporate this in my skincare routine even if I'm not wearing any makeup. Why I love the Garnier Micellar Water is because it's gentle on the skin, suits all skin types and free of sulphate and parabens, and removes 100% dust, dirt, pollutant, sunscreen and makeup in just one swipe. So today I'm wearing a very light no makeup, so I would like to use this one. It's very easy to use. I'll just show you how to use this. Just pour, press and swipe, and all the makeup and impurities are gone.
See, it effectively removes all the dirt and pollutant in just one swipe. No need to rub or tug your skin.
I love the packaging as well. It's super travel friendly and I do not forget to carry it whenever I travel because it makes my life super convenient.
As you can see, the packaging looks absolutely chic and premium and absolutely lightweight.
Micellar water acts like a magnet to take away all the impurities, dust, pollutant, makeup that you wear throughout the day, even the sunscreen, and it gives you that squeaky clean skin. Further, you can wash it with a super gentle face wash followed by a skincare routine.
Not only does it work as a cleanser, but I also love using it as the first step in my skincare routine, both in the morning and at night. Ever since I have started using Garnier Micellar Water, this has been my go-to product as the first step of my skincare routine. The best part is it's fragrance free and super lightweight. I've tried other micellar water before, but none compared to the one from Garnier. I highly recommend giving Garnier Micellar Water a try if you haven't already.
I have to say that this has been a game changer for my skincare routine. Double cleansing has become staple for me and this product makes it super effective and easy for me. The best part about this micellar water is it's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin like mine. So if you want to get your hands on this micellar water or any other micellar water from Garnier, I'll leave a link for you to tap here. Go to the description below and tap and try it now. I'm sure you won't regret. I hope you enjoyed this video and this video has been helpful in your skincare journey. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
If you have any question regarding the Garnier Micellar Water, please go ahead and ask me in the comment below. And if you like the content I make, do subscribe to my channel, like and share.